to teaching style and passion for GIS makes him stand out. He has delivered training on remote sensing and GIS to prestigious academic and professional institutes, including IITs and various universities. Mr. Ayan Ghosh has exceptional depth of knowledge, expertise in the said field. We are certain his insights will not only broaden our understanding, but also stimulate engaging discussions throughout the workshop. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for being a part of this experience. It is now over to you, sir. You can start your session.
Thank you very much. It's a very good evening to all of you. And I am really honored to be here to share my experience and share my views to all of you. So I want to really give the thanks entire Geography department of Rampurhat College, HOD sir, and all respected teachers of Geography department, along with all the faculties member and principal sir, to invite me to share my experience and share my views with all of you. So thanks to all of you, sir. I am really honored to be here. And now, without delaying, I would like to share my screen, and I would like to share my sessions. I believe we will have a wonderful sessions, and we will enjoy the sessions throughout the time. So without delay, let's begin. Okay. So let me share my computer screen. Just wait a bit. Now I hope you all people is able to share, see my screen right now. Okay, is it?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
visible.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. So let's begin. So we are in the field of new era. This era is called AI. AI means artificial intelligence. So why is it? So why we will not? We as a geographer, we will not use that particular techniques in the field of geographical research. There is lots of opening over there. There is lots of chances over there to make your research much more easier and much more proper way. So it will reduce your legwork a lot. So first of all, there are few things to be know. First of all, what is AI? What is machine learning? What is deep learning? And what is Google Earth Engine? So one by one, we will learn all those things. Apart from that, our agenda is to learn JavaScript. So JavaScript is a platform. JavaScript is a computer language, and it is the platform to use artificial intelligences and machine learning in the field of geographical research. With the help of JavaScript, we will use Google Earth Engine. So Google Earth Engine is a quite different geospatial analysis platform. The benefit is that Google Earth Engine is you don't need to have any kind of GIS software. Believe me, you don't need to have any kind of GIS software like ArcGIS, like AirDAS Imagine, like TerraSolid, like AGI Soft. There is a lot of software over there. But if you able to handle JavaScript, and if you able to handle Google Earth Engine, you don't need to have any kind of GIS and remote sensing software. If you can able to write program properly, you can generate lot of things, lot of satellite images, lot of resources are available over there, and you can paste the data within a second. You don't need to wait for a long time to downloading the data. Everything will be happen within a second. Within a second, with a 3 line of code, you will have entire digital elevation model of Earth. You will have entire land surface temperature of Earth within a second, and with a 3 line or 4 line codes. So why we will not learn how to write all those code? So let's begin. So this is the time to know. This is the time to time to make your work much more faster, much more proper in a proper way. So what is Google Earth Engine? Let me explain. So our agenda is, our today's agenda is, I will segregate the agenda in three parts. It is our today's agenda. But during our sessions, we will learn lot of more things. But our today's agenda, you should know our today's agenda, because you have to plan accordingly. First of all, we will learn the basic concept of machine learning and Google Earth Engine. Then we will learn how to use JavaScript, the basic concept of JavaScript. Then one by one, we will move on Google Earth Engine platform. Then we will write some code on Google Earth Engine. Then we will perform all those satellite and GIS, remote sensing and GIS related operations. And I hope, I believe you people who are from, who are doing research, who are honorable, honorable teaching faculties, assistant respected professional personnel over there, and you will all of us will enjoy the sessions. Okay, so first of all, what is Google Earth Engine? So basically, whenever I ask some students, immediately replied, yes, I have. But he doesn't have any, but we are not able to segregate basically Google Earth Pro and Google Earth Engine. So there is a basic heaven and hell difference between Google Earth Pro and Google Earth Engine. So we are talking about Earth Engine. So it's a concept of Earth Engine, and the product is generated by Google. That's why Google Earth Engine. The concept is Earth Engine. Okay, so Google Earth Engine is a is a cloud-based geospatial analysis platform. So why it's a cloud-based? See, it's a cloud-based because no data will store on your computer. No processing will happen in your computer. Everything will happen on cloud, because whatever the process, whatever the data, anything is not stored in your computer. That store on a cloud. Cloud means a virtual drive. There is a virtual drive name as, this is called cloud. Your data and the entire processing techniques has been stored in cloud. So you should only have one computer and enabled with internet facility. Nothing. You don't need nothing. And if you able to, if we you can also use one tab or your simple smartphone mobile to perform all those geospatial performance. So you don't need to have any kind of GIS and remote sensing software like ArcGIS, like QGIS, like AirDAS Imagine, like AGI Metashape, like TerraSolid. So micro stations, you don't need to have that kind of software. This is the unbelievable things, So now, what is Google Earth Engine? Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial analysis platform, and it is basically used for visualize and analyze satellite image of our planet. It is used for what? It is used for visualize and analyze of satellite image of our planet. Who are using? Scientists, non-profits organizations, and all other the researcher, engineers. They can use that kind of platform to address natural resource management and more. So this is a so what is Google Earth Engine? If anybody asks you, now you can very easily give an answer. Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial analysis platform. Is it clear? Google Earth Engine what? Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial analysis platform. The very simple definition is like that. Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial platform. So we will use all those things, JavaScript, etc., etc. We will all use all those things. But give me some time to make a clear concept of that kind of geospatial, different type of geospatial platform. Now, What is the advantage of Google Earth Engine? So why we people use Google Earth Engine? So basically, the advantage of our Google Earth Engine is data. There is lots of data, lots of unbelievable types of data is available over there, and absolutely you don't need to pay any subscriptions for that. If just basic concept is you should have the knowledge. Knowledge is the only key to open the treasure. Knowledge is the only key. Knowledge of JavaScript, programming JavaScript. This is the password. This is the key to open the lock of that treasure. Treasure means the Google Earth Engine platform. So it has over various types of data, including Landsat Sentinel is available. Apart from that, lot of type of MODIS data, terrain data, cropland, forest fire, coral, pollutions, rain. Lots of data is available over here. If you able to fetch, you can. You have the every right to gather all those data, but only condition is knowledge. Only one condition is over there is knowledge to write the JavaScript. If you able to write the JavaScript properly, you will enter in the treasure of geospatial platform. Okay, so now let's move. So basically, Google Earth Engine is developed in 3 patterns. Number 1, data. Number 2, API. And number 2, computation and browser based ideally. So 1 by AP data means there is lot of data, multispectral, radar, aerial, climate, land cover, vector. Now if you want to do work with Birbhum district, now you are suffering from lack of data, lack of district data. You don't have the district boundary. You don't need to worry. If you're able to write code properly, Google Earth Engine will automatically develop the boundary of Birbhum. That machine learning platform automatically develop the boundary of Darjeeling district. That machine learning platform automatically develop the boundary of Bardhaman district. Or not only the district belongs to West Bengal, that not entire world. If you able to run proper JavaScript, it will provide the entire administrative boundary at least district level in front of you within a second, believe me. And we will try to learn all those things. Okay, so now first one is data, then main important thing is API, applications programming interface. So there are a lot of API over there, application programming interface, like JavaScript, like Python, lot of PHP, lot of interface over there. Now our case, we will use JavaScript. Okay, now accordingly, if I able to store data, if I able to compute all those data, then we will have the outstanding image in front of us. Now data, API and computation, this is the agglomerations of the Google Earth Engine. Now once again, what is the difference between Google Earth and Google Earth Engine? Now I believe you people able to understand there is a heaven and hell difference between Google Earth Engine and Google Earth Pro. This is the not difference like ये 19-20 का difference नहीं है. There is a huge difference. Google Earth Pro is only used for visualizations. This is absolutely a wonderful platform, Google Earth Pro. I don't have any confusion regarding the utilities of Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro is a totally visualizations platform. You can visualize, you can measure the data, you can gather the data, you can create vector over there, you can handle KML file as well as shape file over here. But Google Earth Engine is a geospatial analysis platform. Here you can analyze all those data. This is the basic difference. It is a full-fledged remote sensing and GIS platform, Google Earth Engine. So Google Earth Engine is totally different from Google Earth. Okay, So one by one, what are we learned? What are the things we have already learned? What is Google Earth Engine? Anybody can say Google Earth Engine. What is Google Earth Engine in a very easy manner? Anybody, anyone amongst you? Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based geospatial platform. Google Earth Engine is what? Cloud-based. Very basic answer is cloud-based geospatial platform. Cloud-based geospatial platform. Then what is the advantage of Google Earth Engine? Advantage is lot of data, lot of satellite image, lot of vector, raster, everything is available over here if you are able to write JavaScript properly. Then what are the hierarchy of Google Earth Engine? Data, API, and computation. What is API? Applications Programming Interface. Now what is the Google Earth Engine? What is the difference between Google Earth and Google Earth Engine? So there is a huge difference between Google Earth and Google Earth Engine. Google Earth Engine and Google Earth is totally differ. In which area it's different? It's Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro is a geospatial visualization platform. Now this is the interface of Google Earth Engine. This is just Google Earth Engine look like that. So you have to create one account on Google Earth Engine. I will show you how to create the account, or there is lot of videos over the YouTube. You can just see it. Very simple, very easy. Just like you open account in a Facebook, Instagram. So in that way, if you go through the videos, then you can easily able to open one account on Google Earth Engine. So it's a Google product. You should have one mail ID, active mail ID on Google. If you have one active mail ID on Google, then you can easily able to create one account on Google Earth Engine. Now one by one, this is the interface of Google Earth Engine. Okay, here the scripts means here all the scripts, all the what are the program is available, all written over here, scripts. Then you will see docs means documentation. It's a simplification form of code. What code you want to write, all codes are automatically written over here. You have to just collect the code according to your requirement, and if you able to memorize the code, then you can write. If you forget the code, then docs will assist you to identify the exact suitable code for you. Okay, now asset. Whatever the data you have stored, whatever the data you have download, and whatever the data you have upload, all stores in asset. So one by one, first you will see script, then you can see docs. After that, you can see asset. Once again, one by one, first you will see scripts, then you can able to see docs, then you can able to see asset. Now this is the platform where you able to write all entire code over here, where you will able to write entire code over here, JavaScript code, believe me, JavaScript code. Now go get link. So what is get link? So whenever we move from one locations to another locations, we have to carry our laptop, or we have to carry our data set with us to do execute our job. So, and unless until what you have to do, you have to take one hard drive, and you have to take one pen drive, and you have to store entire data over there. Then you can give your data to other person to execute rest of the job. But here you don't need to have anything. You just create on get link. It will provide one link. Just copy the link and send it the corresponding person. He or she will have the entire data and entire existing code. You don't need to carry your laptop, and you don't need to carry any hard drive or any pen drive. and you don't need to have any confusion whether we take all those data or anything is left. So just click on get link, copy the link and send it to the particular person. He will have, or he or she will have the entire data. It may be satellite image, it may be vector, it may be code. Everything is available to that particular person. Then here you will found one tab named as run. If you click on run, your entire code is going to be run. Then reset. If you want to write again the code, then click on reset. Then go to inspector. Inspector allows you to find exact latitudinal and longitudinal informations. Next, console. We will do all those things hands-on. Okay, just wait. Just before that, I will just make you accustomed with that platform. Okay. So now go to console. So console is what? Console allows you to basically numerical operations of the data will appear in console, and task, what are the tasks you are performing, that is available on here. This is called task. Okay, so I will do all those things in a very short and easy manner, because 4 days is no, you people can understand. Every time, every limit, that stipulated time is not enough to learn all those things. Basically, knowledge that you will not able to confine your training program with a knowledge, with a particular time frame, because everywhere is knowledge. But if you want to run a program, if you want to run a sessions, we have a limitations. So that's why we give a particular time frame. So unless until there are, after that there is a lot of things will be there, and a lot of time will be there, we'll learn a lot of more things. Okay, so now this is the basic training, this is the basic interface of your Google Earth engine. Now till that portion, now we will move on that particular portions Google Earth engine, how to write all those code and all those things. So before going to that, do you have a clear idea on Google Earth engine? Anyone amongst you will able to say what is Google Earth engine? Just basic definition and just basic concept, not definitions. I just want to see whether you are able to get it or not. I don't have need any memorized definitions. Anybody amongst you get the idea of Google Earth engine? Anybody will able to say what is Google Earth engine? Anybody, please come forward and say what is Google Earth engine. Anybody? Okay, Google Earth engine is what? Google Earth engine is very easily, it's a cloud-based geospatial platform. Okay, so now we will move on JavaScript concept. So I am doing the I am writing the script, as well as you will able to understand all those things. So how to go Google Earth engine platform? So in your browser, once again, you don't need to have any kind of GIS and remote sensing software. You don't need to have any kind of GIS and remote sensing software. What you need, and just go to Google. Just go to Google and just type what? Code.Google Earth engine. Just type code.Google Earth engine and just write down. Just go to just go to Google and just type code.Google Earth engine. Code.Google Earth engine. Just type code.Google Earth engine. Once you type, you will face that kind of interface. Now just click on Google Earth engine. So that kind of interface, it will appear in front of you. That kind of interface will appear in front of you. So what to do? Once again, just go with me. What to do, anybody? Just go to Google. Then what to type? Anybody what to type? Anyone amongst you what to type? You can also text me code
Code dot
dot.
Google Earth Engine.
Very good, very good, very good. Thank you. Thank you for your response. Code dot Google Earth Engine. Once you go to code dot Google Earth Engine, then just click on Google Earth Engine. If you have the account, let's say there is a one option sign in, just like Facebook, WhatsApp. You have to sign in with your Gmail. And if you getting difficulties, you can feel free to ask me how to install. And there is lot of videos over there how to open an account in Google Earth Engine. There's lot of videos over there. It will take hardly 4 or 5 minutes to just see the video and just try to open your account on Google Earth Engine if you don't have. And if you have, you can easily move on. So now what do we do? We are already accustomed with that particular interface. So this is script. All the script has been written over here, and we will perform accordingly. I will make you learn all those things. Now docs, every type of code, every type of code assistance is available on documentation, docs. Now asset, whatever the data you have download or you have upload, all are available in here. Now script, this is the main thing here. Here here you will have all the you will have the permission to write entire code over here. Now go to here, get link. If you click over here, then just copy the link, and if you send it to someone, they will have your entire data, as well as they will have the entire code. Everything is available to him. And if you let's say if you in a vacations and suddenly you have one assignment to change something immediately, so you don't have your laptop with you, so what to do? Just open your Google in your phone and just open the account as with the Gmail. You will have the all data. You don't need to carry any laptop. Just change accordingly on your script, and then once again send it, copy the code and send it to your colleague or other personnel who is responsible for the rest of the work. Okay, that easy it is, and that's make your time much more faster. That will make your work much more faster. You don't need to wait for your colleagues vacations. When he will join, then we will execute our rest of the part. You don't need to wait for him at all. Okay, then run, reset, all you know, run. If you run, click on run. If the result will appear in map, then it is appear in map. And if the result is numerical operations like area, perimeter, length, all are appear in console. If the numerical value is concerned, it is appeared in console. And if the geospatial matter is concerned, it will appear on map. Okay, and now the task is whatever the operations you are performing, it will show the in task bar. Okay, now that particular thing has been very clear to you. Now I will go for writing the I we now we have complete our first sessions. Now we are going to that particular sessions, how to write the code. So all of you are very ready to go with me. Are you getting bored? Is the session is interesting, or you people are getting bored?
It is interesting, sir.
Yes, nice, sir.
So your response
Very interesting, sir.
your responses always inspire me to deliver myself. So now without delaying, as you are interacting, my spirit is going to be very high. So don't worry, I will try my best to make you understand. Believe me, there is a limitations in online, there is limitations time frame, but don't be formal. If you get any kind of difficulties, any kind of problem, you just do practice all those things after the sessions. If you get any difficulties, if you get any problems, my WhatsApp number is WhatsApp number is available on the group. You can collect it and directly text me, or you can also make a phone call to me. You can also interact with me on Facebook. You can also interact with me on LinkedIn as well as Instagram. So I will always try to help you out. Okay, so don't be very formal. Be a very friendly atmosphere, and so that we can interact. Okay, so now we are going to write the code. So first of all, two thing we have to know, very important thing and very basic thing for any type of programming language. If you go to Python, if you go to Java, if you go to JavaScript, another one thing, if Java and JavaScript is totally different. Okay, so if somebody asks you Java, and if you able to execute all those things JavaScript, so you have to say I am able to execute in JavaScript, not Java. Okay, so if you know Java, then you can say yes, but Java and JavaScript are both separate. Okay, now we will use JavaScript, not Java. So somebody in some interview, somebody may ask that kind of confusing questions. Google Earth engine is using Java, na? They may ask. If you say yes, so your answer will be wrong. Answer will be JavaScript. Clear? So now every programming language is using a common concept. This is a concept. Concept is a variable, and very popular concept, variable. So what is variable? So just I want to show you what is variable. First one is variable, and second one is constant. Okay, so variable is a location. Variable is a location where you can store your data. Variable is a memory. Variable is a locations where we can store our data. Let's say I have a one red almirah. So red almirah is a variable. In red almirah, we have stores our clothes. Okay, clothes for outing. Clothes for outing. Okay, so red almirah is a variable where we can store the clothes for outing, and blue almirah is a variable where we have stored the clothes for regular use. Okay, so those are variable, and the clothes are the constant. Constants means data which stores in variable. Okay, so once again, another example. So so there is a in, let's say there is a department named as geography. So geography department is a variable that contains 40 number of students. Okay, so, and there is another department, let's say geology department. So geology department is a variable that contains 50 number of students. Okay, so variable, if I want to how many students are there, then we will just make a summations of variable geography and variable geology. Okay, so variable is a locations where we can store the data, and constant will be always fixed. If you give the constant value, then we have to consider constant means fixed. We say usually constantly it's raining. That means the situation is almost fixed. It's raining. Constantly it's a traffic. That means there is a slow traffic movement during a long period of time. Constantly the car is running faster constantly. Okay, so constant means which is fixed, and variable means which can vary, which can change. Okay, now another example. Now let's say it's a college, a semi-international seminar at Rampurhat College. In Rampurhat College, there are teachers, most honorable and respected teachers, and our beloved students. So who are the variable, who are the constant? Anybody give me some example among the teachers and the students, who may variable and who may constant? Anybody? So variable is students because they can vary year by year, year after year. Students are changing, but the teachers remain same as. That's why teachers are constant. Okay, so those are the very simple example. Now we are on the Google Earth Engine platform, and we want to declare one variable as well as constant. How to declare variable? To declare variable, you have to type just VAR. So VAR is a syntax. If you want to declare one variable, you have to type VAR. This is a script that your Google Earth Engine can get it, that you are going to write one variable. Then you have to assign one name of the variable. Let's say name of the variable is A. Okay, and give a is equal to sign. Then that A variable stores what value? Usually we use at the start hello world. So when you write hello world, let's see, if I writing text, if I am writing text in front and end, we are using one single quote. In front and end, whenever we enter one text value on variable, we have to enter one single quote over there. After that, you have to give one semicolon. So do you got it or not? So variable, name of the variable is A, and that data stores the value of hello world. Okay. Now I want to see the result which has been stored in variable A. I want to see the result which has been stored in variable A. Then you have to write one code, one syntax, print. Which you want to see? Variable. Which variable? Variable A. Okay, then give a semicolon, and then go to run, and then go to that orange color console instructed you to click on me. Let's see, there is a word written as hello world. So this is the concept of how to write variable and how to see the result of the variable. Okay, got it. Now I am taking another variable. Okay, so how to write the variable? VAR. Now you can also change the value. Let's say VAR. Now I am entering one numeric value over here. So if I am writing numeric value, I don't need to provide any kind of single quote. If I am writing numeric value, I don't need to write any kind of single quote over there. Because of what? Because computer will understand. If I don't provide any single invited comma, computer will understand. That script will make computer understand that this is a numeric value, that there may be a numerical operation over there. You don't need to write any kind of single invited comma over there. Okay, now print A and go to run. Let's see the result, 10. Got it? Now you people say, I will perform. I want to take two variable. Variable A will store a value of 30 and variable B will store value of 20. How to do? Anybody? Fast. Anybody? VAR, variable A will store what? Value of 30. Now see, this exclamatory sign is instructed you missing semicolon. That's why it's that particular intelligences make you aware that you are missing something. And what you are missing? You are missing one semicolon. Now variable B. Now variable B. Variable B store what? Let's say variable B store 20. Got it? Now we want to make a summation of that. So I am taking another variable. This is this is variable C. I am taking another variable. This is variable C. Now what to do? Now what to do? Anybody? 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 First, please give some. See
A plus
what will
B.
happen.
C equals to A plus B.
Yes. Next. Now give us is equal to sign. Then just type A plus B. Very simple, very easy. Don't be confused. There is a lot of myth over there. That language is very, very tough. Computer language is very tough, very hard to digest. No, not at all. Just follow me. Just follow me the way which I want to make you learn. I believe I definitely all of you is able to execute all those code very easily. Okay, just follow the path. Now what I have to give for that exclamatory sign, what I have to give, you people say, anybody?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Okay, now I want to see the result where the summation has been stored. So I have to give what? I have to give
Print.
what? Anybody? Print. Very
Print.
good, very good, very good,
Open
very
bracket.
good. Very good, fantastic, very good. Print. Then print what? A, B, or C?
C.
Very good, fantastic, fantastic. Now go to run and see the result. 50. Now your calculator is doing the same job. Whenever you are entering one numeric value over there, let's say 10 or 30, there is a automatically process. There is a program already written over there that whenever I put some value over there, automatically one variable is there. First variable stores your first entry. Okay, then you give a plus sign. That plus sign, plus, minus, all those things are called operator. Plus, minus, multiplications, root, divide, divisions, all are called operations. Then you give an operator like plus. Then you give another value. Then another variable has been appeared over here. That variable stores your second value. And when you enter the is equal to sign, that means function. You are entering a function. Okay, so when you there is the options, there is all whatever the variable, whatever the input you have stored, you may see all those things one by one with the help of up arrow key and down arrow key. Is it? All of the data, whatever the data you have stored, whatever the value you have stored for summation, you want to recheck. So actually what happened? The calculator will giving again and again, print first variable, print second variable, print third variable. All the program is running in the back end. You are not able to see. Just like electromagnetic spectrum. All is happening, but beyond your visualization. Everything is happening, but we people are not able to see what is happening over there. We are only able to see the result. Okay, so you may ask me, sir, we are the almost honorable college faculties. We are the most honorable young scientist or young researcher. So why we should learn how to do a summation of 30 and 20? What is the necessity of that? We know 30 and 20, 20 summation of 30 and 20 is 50, and it's taught in nursery standard. So why you asked me to do all those things? It is little bit of funny now. And are you wasting our time? You are wasting your time and you are wasting our time now. So no, not at all. I will not make you learn how to do the summations. I want to make you learn. If you want to make some, how to, what will be the scripting of this? So how to do, make computer understand that you have to do one summations. I want to make you learn that script. Okay, so let's say you have a satellite image band. Let's say this is a band of near infrared. Your first variable stores the value information of the near infrared band, and your second variable store the information of red band. So we want to do NDVI, normalized differentiate vegetation index. So what you have to do, near infrared plus red divided by near infrared minus red. So in that way, in first variable, you store near infrared. In second variable, you store red. Then third variable, there will be the full function. And last, you will make a print that will appear the result. Okay, in that way, we will do all those things after learning the basic concept of JavaScript. Unless until if you're not able to learn the basic concept of JavaScript, we will not able to perform. If you have the theoretical knowledge, if you have the concept of algorithm, but due to lack of knowledge in scripting, we will not able to execute. Okay, so I don't have any confusion that you are suffering from lack of knowledge regarding your domain. In your domain, you are the superior, you are the prime, but I will make you learn how to execute your algorithm in this particular platform. This is just like interpreter. You say something with the scripting, your version will be understandable by your computer. Got it? Now, one by one, I will take another variable. Let's say variable x. Variable x is equal to let's say Virat, and variable y is equal to Kohli. Now, what? Something is missing. What is missing? Anybody amongst you? What is missing? Anybody amongst you? I believe you. Right.
Semicolon.
Invited comma and invited comma. Let's say now variable z. Very good. Very good. Now variable z means x plus y. Okay. Now give a print of variable y. Sorry, x, y, sorry, variable z. Z. Okay. Now give a run. Let's say Virat Kohli. Now I want to make a space over there. Just enter a space over there. Clear? Got it? Is there any confusion over there? Now I am writing here 20 and 20 in a single inverted comma. And do you have any assumption what result will become in Z if I make a summation? 20 in a single quote, 20 in a single quote, and x plus y, and what will be Z? And I believe you people able to answer. What will be the answer?
It will show 20 plus 20.
20 plus will be there, plus sign will be there in the result.
2020.
2020.
Very good.
2020.
Yes, 2020, I think.
2020. Because
2020.
I instruct that this is a text. So in the text, there is if you consider it's as text, just like Virat Kohli, it will not able to perform the numeric operation. It will appear just side by side. Got it? Okay. Now, first phase of that particular JavaScript scripting we have completed. Now we will move on the second phase. Okay. Once again, I am saying that if you think that your 4-day sessions will enough for learning that particular JavaScript and Google Earth Engine, it is not. It will take a long time. It is just the initial. We are just in the we just I want to just give you the what can be done with the Google Earth Engine, but believe me, there are a lot of more things. I am in the field of geospatial science since last 16 years. Last 16 years, I am working in the field of geospatial science, and still I believe a lot of things to be learned. So if somebody asks you after 4 days you are efficient, definitely you will be efficient, but there is a lot of things that will remain, and that will learn one by one, time by time. So I am always with you. When you will get any difficulties apart from the fixed stipulated time frame, I will be always there. If you're not able to reach me, just text me in WhatsApp or Facebook or LinkedIn. I will definitely, when I get time, I will definitely try to answer your problem. Okay, so I will be always there. But whatever as much as possible, I will try to deliver you. So now we'll move on next part. Next part is called listing. So first of all, what you have to do, JavaScript. You have to learn JavaScript properly. So our motto is to learn JavaScript properly, so that if you get the proper code from anywhere, you have to change according to your requirement. How to change, and where to change. How to change and where to change. That's why we need to know JavaScript properly. Okay, so now we will move on. Our next phase of JavaScript, which is very commonly used, which is called which is very common. This is called listing. Okay, which is called listing. So let's go. What is listing? So if somebody asks you list the term listing or term list, what comes in your mind? Initially, one page, and one small page, and lot of things has been written over there, which you have to bring from market. That means one piece of paper contains so many things that you have to bring from your market. Once again, one piece of a paper contains so many things. Okay, so initially what we are doing, one piece of a paper containing only one thing. That is one piece of a paper. It is dedicated for apple. One piece of a paper which is dedicated for a orange. One piece of a paper which is dedicated for guava. So one by one you are gathering the paper and bring it from market. Now our motto is different. One piece of a paper containing so many things. It may be apple, it may be guava, it may be orange, etc. So this is called listing. That means one variable contains so many constant. Okay, now one variable contains only one constant. Now variable B, one variable contains only one constant. So now our motto is different. We would like to store one variable, and that will store so many constant over there. One variable to store so many constant over there. So how to do? Just basically this is for what purpose? You all people know one satellite image may contain so many electromagnetic spectral band. It may be the blue, green, red, near infrared, shortwave infrared, thermal, coral. Then maybe so many bands over there. So if you want to declare one uh, so many electromagnetic spectral band in a same variable, just like a multispectral image, so how to do, how to perform all those kind of operations? Okay, in our case, if as we are handling satellite image, our basically we are handling with so many electromagnetic spectral band. So in that way, if I want to declare one satellite image which contains so many spectral bands, so how to do? So that's why we need to know the concept of listing. That's why we need to know the concept of, you say, the concept of what? The concept of listing. Okay, so you got the concept of listing. Now just one by one. So first of all, we will declare one variable name as VAR. Okay, variable name as VAR. Okay, now give a what we have to do after declaring variable. What you have to do, what you have to assign? Anybody? After declaring the variable, what we have to do? Anybody? We have to assign one name of a variable. Name of a variable. And let's say we don't need all those things. You can delete it. Variable A. Okay. Now give a is equal to sign. Now, when we ensure that you are going to, when you are, you confirm that you are going to store so many constant in a single variable, then we have to go for the concept of listing. So now, when you assure you are going to make listing, then give a square bracket. Sorry, give a square bracket. That square bracket ensure to your Google Earth engine that your user is going to input a lot of constant in a single variable. Now ready for listing. Okay, that simple square bracket instruct your Google Earth engine that your user is going to input lot of many things over here. You are not, now we are not handling with a single piece of data. We will handle in a single variable lot of constant over there, and your Google Earth engine is ready to store all those things. Okay, now one by one I am inputting all those data. So if I want to input the text, then mandatorily I have to give one single inverted comma. Then I am giving you some name over there. I want to write some name over there. Okay, now variable A stores Ram. Okay, then Sham. Okay, then give a comma, then just type Jodu. Okay, then single inverted comma Rohim, then Yusuf. Okay, so many variable over there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 variable over there. Now we want to see the result. How to see the result? Anybody? How to see the result? Anybody? Print.
Print.
Very A. Print A. Now see, run. Now see here. Here the result. One by one. Ram, Sham, Jodu, Rohim, Yusuf. And see here. Zero. This is called indexing. Every constant has a different indexing value, and which is usually starts from 0. The indexing value of Ram is 0, Sam is 1, whereas Yusuf is 4. Though there is a 5 number entity over there, but the index is ending with value of 4 because index value is starting from 0. Okay. Now, this is the so your first 0 band number, so indexing value 0 store band number blue, indexing value 1 stores band number green, indexing value 2 stores band number 2, band number blue, green, red, indexing value 3 stores band number name near infrared. In that way it store all those data. Okay, now I am taking another variable name as b, and once again I want to store lots of data over here. Now give another square bracket. Now keep it, remember, when we when we will use some satellite image operations, and then I asked you use some listing over there, what you have to do, you have to use some second bracket, or sorry, you have to use some third bracket or square bracket. Okay, now here input some data, Tom, then Tom, then Dick, then Harry. Okay, got it. Now if I want to see the second variable, what to do? Now I will give a few more name. Mike. Okay, then John. Okay, now I want to see the variable b. What to do? Print
B.
b. Print b. Okay, run. Sorry, spelling is there. If there is a spelling mistake, it will not able to run. Print b. Run. Tom, Dick, Harry, Mike, John. Now there are so many time we have to amalgamate to satellite image. No, so in first variable, let's say you store band number 3 to 1 2 3. In second variable you store band number 4 5. Now you have to merge all those things. This is usually say layer stacking. So in first variable you store red, green, blue band, and in second variable you stores near infrared, shortwave infrared, and thermal infrared band. Now you want to stack, or you want to amalgamate all those bands in a single image. That means you want to stack image, or you want to store all those bands in a single image. This is called layer stacking. So how to perform that kind of amalgamation or that kind of layer stacking? Okay, so in that way we will in our case in that JavaScript platform we will use that stacking method with the help of code, or with the help of syntax concat. Concat means plus, concat means stitching, concatenation. The concat terms comes from concatenation. Concat means stitching. So how to perform that concatenations? So let's see. One variable stores Rams, Sham, Jodu, Rohim, Yusuf, and variable B store Tom, Dick, Harry, Mike. Okay, and John. So now we want to do now we want to do what? Now we want to do one concatenation. So how to do that concatenations? Okay,
Is it
so one by one, don't be what. Oh, Bolo, say.
Sir, is it necessary to hold a same number of variable under each section?
No. No. You can store numbers of data, numbers. There is no limitations. You can store some numbers of data over there. Tom, Dick, Harry, Lee. Then there are, so you can store so many Robert.
Okay.
Robert, so many as per your requirement. There is no necessity that you have to store same num figure or not. Okay, and numbers of data, unlimited data. In you can store in numbers of data. Okay, now we will use that code. I will give you all code for your practicing purpose, so don't need to worry, don't need to write instantly. I will be always there. Please don't worry that your sessions is only for 4 days or only for 3 days or only for 2 days or not. I will be always there. You have my contact number. I will be always there to help you out, but try to just take the concept. Don't go for memorizations. Try to get the concept. I will provide you each and every code to you. You can practice in your comfortable time. Don't need to practice right now. Okay, I am assuring you, I will be always there. But try to do all those things in your own heart. Don't try to get it in your mind, try to get it in your heart, so that you will never forgive all those concepts. You may forgive the syntax, but you never forgive the concept. Okay, so just additions, or if I want to amalgamate two variable which are listing, we don't go for just ordinary plus operations. Okay, we have to go for concatenations. So I am taking another variable, and that variable name as C. Okay, that purpose of that variable is concatenation. So how to do concatenation? A sorry, variable A. Okay, variable A dot. So what you have to do? Variable A dot, you have to type concat, concat. All are case sensitive. Case sensitive means when situation demand capital letter, you have to input capital letter. When situation demand small letter, you have to input small letter. Those are the fixed by the JavaScript. In that time you have to input capital, that time you have to input small. Okay, so just go concat, A concat in bracket B, A concat bracket B. Now just end it. Got it? A concat, A concat, concat bracket B. That C variable stores all those concatenations information. Now what we have to do? I have to print what? I have to print what?
C.
Anybody? See, very simple. See, now give a semicolon and go for run. Let's see. Here all 12 elements has been stored over here. Ram, Sam, Jodu, Rohim, Yusuf, Tom, Dick, Harry, Mike, John, Lee, and finally Robert. Clear? Is it just say frankly, is it very hard to digest? Entire process which I want to make you learn, is it very hard to digest? What you have already, you usually heard that programming language is very hard to digest, it is out of our capability. Is it true, or is it you are getting it very easily?
No, sir, it's very interesting.
Very interesting, very good, thank you. So now we will move. Now just check it out. This is the summations. Okay, now I want to, you people, I asked, and I believe you people definitely able to give the answer. I want to store initially Tom, Dick, Harry, then Ram, Sam, Jodu, Rohit. What I have to do? I want to store initially, that means variable B will be appear first, then variable A will be appear. What to do?
Variable D equals to B dot concat open bracket
Yes,
A.
very good, very good, very good. Variable B, just change it, variable B here and variable A here. Just run. Let's see. Now Tom, Dick, Harry. Okay. Now I want to add much more variable over here. Now variable D. Variable D stores what? Variable D stores variable D. Let's say variable D is storing Virat. Sorry. Virat, comma, Rohit. Here it will be comma. Okay. Virat, comma, Rohit, comma, then Bumrah, then Pant. Okay. Now I want to amalgamate all three variable. What to do? Anybody? Just give a, then just give B, then comma D. Okay, in that way, how many variable you will store? You can give first one is dot, then concat, then rest of the variable. Now see the result. Now so 16 element is there, and all those elements store ram to panth. Okay, now you can take another variable, variable e. Variable e stores what? Square bracket, then SRK, then Bhaijan and Salman. Okay, Bhaijan. Then what?
Akshay Kumar. Nah.
Hello. Hello. I think some network issues here. That is trying to reconnect again. Sir will be shortly with us. There is some network issue. He's trying to reconnect again.
Hello. So due to network issue, our resource person left, but he will join shortly. Please stay tuned with us.
No issue, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. We will wait for your wait for the meeting, sir.
Shuralji, hello.
Yes, sir.
He'll join shortly.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, I am extremely sorry. I am extremely sorry due to some technical issue. My net connection has been lost, but it has been resumed. So I am extremely sorry for that. Please, I am apologize for. So all of you are here. You are able to hear me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am
Sir, please
I
proceed.
am extremely sorry. Extremely sorry.
It is okay, sir.
No, sir, it's okay.
Okay. So now, actually, that kind of thing just we may lost the momentum of the progress. Anyway, so now what we have to do? So we are concatenating what? We are concatenations of variable A, B, D, and E. Okay. So A concat B, D, and E, and result will be appear 20 numbers of data has been stored in a single variable. Clear? So when you want to write all those things in a single data or in a single variable, you have to do like that particular pattern. Got it? So we have already learned what? We have already done variable, constant, and listing. Okay. Now I know all of you people are very busy, but I want to move on. Interpreting or analyzing the satellite image, having writing that particular code. But this is that particular portion is not ending the all concept of JavaScript. There is a lot of things over there, but due to our stipulated time frame, now we will directly move on how to use satellite image with the help of that particular listing or that particular variable constant in that concept. Okay, so are you ready to doing that kind of exciting thing? Now
Yes,
we will
sir.
handle satellite image. So how to handle that? How to handle those satellite image? How to handle satellite image using Java, only using JavaScript and Google Earth Engine. So now we will use the new things in things in geospatial platform. Now we will use nighttime light. So basically nighttime image or nighttime light usually used for identification, urban sprawl monitoring, or pollution monitoring, or temperature assessment. There are so many various purposes of nighttime light. So what is the concept of nighttime light? usually what satellite image we are used, usually that is the reflectance of the radiant of sun energy. But we want to see what, how it looks like in night, how the earth, entire earth, it's look like in the night. Okay, and that indicates the urbanizations, that indicates the globalizations, that indicates how much developed is that particular countries. So light emitted from the city, light emitted from the town, light emitted from the villages, light emitted from the streets, and whatever the areas where the light has been emitted during the night sessions, we will try to capture all those things with the use of satellite data. Okay, so very interesting and very exciting. So uh, be with me, lot of new things is going to be learned. So we will use, don't need to write all those things right now. I will give entire code to you so that you people can perform in your comfortable time. And once again, I am not for the that particular time frame. I am every time I will try to help you out after these sessions, after these international seminar, all the time I will be definitely available over there. But try to learn that new technologies, that new things with me. So to declare one, so we will learn what, anybody just brief what we have learned. What we have learned: variable, we have learned listing, we have learned concatenation. So we will use all those things, but lot more things to be learned. But one by one we will try to learn as much as possible during this stipulated time frame. Okay, now we are going to learn nighttime light, or nighttime image, which is very interesting, and how it's look in the night sessions, and how the country has been developed or not using that night image or nighttime light. We can make a assessment. So before doing that, all those things, what initially we have to declare one variable. We have to declare one variable. How to declare, you all people know, how to declare the variable var, then give a name as data, then give a name as data. Variable name is data, variable name is data. Okay, now we have to identify from where we will fetch the data, from which satellite we will fetch the data, from which satellite we will fetch the data. We will fetch the data from NOAA, NOAA. The satellite name is NOAA, NOAA. Just try to remember, it is not very hard to digest. Just try to remember NOAA. Where you have to type? You have to type in search bar. You have to type in search bar. What you have to type? You have to type just NOAA, NOAA. What you have to type? You have to just type NOAA, NOAA. Is there any confusion over there? What we have take? We have take one variable. What we have take? We have, my screen is visible, na? My screen is visible
Yes,
to
sir.
all
Yes,
of
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take one variable data. Then what we have to do? Then go to search bar. Then say what we have to do. Just say fast, please, fast. What we have to do? What we have to do?
Search more.
NOAA. Okay. If you say again and again, and if you interact, it will be instinct in your mind. You don't need to memorize separately. So that's why I insist you to interact with me so that it will be your instinct. Okay. So just type NOAA. Whenever you type NOAA, the lots of satellite image of NOAA series is available in front of you. There are lot of satellite series, NOAA series is available in front of you. Amongst them, we will move on that particular thing. VIRS, night time day-night band composite version 1. Now you people ask me why I will understand this is suitable for me. This is real questions, but what you have to do, just click on here. Having clicking on here, here is the metadata. That data describe what type of satellite information stores over here. And it is the bands. Bands mean how many electromagnetic spectral data has been stored in that satellite image. That satellite image stored average radiant band and average cloud-free band, cloud-free image. So that satellite image comprising of two band, average radiant and cloud. Okay. That satellite image comprising two band, average radiant and average cloud. That average radiant band stores day-night radiation, DNB, day-night band, DNB radiance value. Okay. Okay, so now one by one comes again over here. So in that way, you can explore lot of more things. What are the satellite image available over there? So anyway, in our case, we will type simply NOAA, NOAA. We will simply type NOAA, then make a enter. Then there are lot of data available over here. Amongst them, we will move on that particular portions. VIRS NOAA. Okay, VIRS night time. Just click it and just copy. So this is the code of satellite which stores in the server. If you able to type that code, we can directly reach to our server, which server stores the entire data of satellite. And those server stores in entire NOAA series. Just copy it, or you can click on it instead of copy. Okay, don't need to memorize. Once again, just go with me. What we have to do, just type NOAA. Okay, and then go over where then where we have to go. Anybody? Where we have to go? VIRS nighttime band. Okay, then just copy it or just click on here. It will copy the entire thing. Just close it and paste it. You don't need to memorize all those dot image collection syntax. Okay, so just make it a semicolon. Till that portion, is it clear? Now that once again I am moving on NOAA. That NOAA image, this is a conceptual things. Just go with me. I believe that you people are cooperating for a long time with me. I will not take in much more time, but be whenever I am with you, be with me. You will able to, I believe you will able to learn lot of new things. So just cooperate few more minutes with us. Okay, so where we have to go, we have to go NOAA, NOAA. Where it is? NOAA, where is our desired image? VIRS nighttime day night band. Okay, now if I click over here, you can see there are two bands over here, average radiant and cloud free band. So amongst them, average radiant band is responsible to collect all those radiant energy in night, average DNB, day-night band. So these band, we have to take this band from entire satellite image. They just like near infrared band collect all the radiant reflectance energies from chlorophyll. So if I want to do work with chlorophyll, then I have to gather the band informations of chlorophyll. So that's why I have to gather the informations of the average radiant. Okay, so just copy that particular band name, average radiant. Why I am copying this average radiant band? because that band is responsible to store the nighttime information. Just copy. Okay, then go once again. We have to take another variable. Then give a name of that variable, night. Let's say I am giving the name of night. Okay, then is equal to sign. Then from which variable we will gather the data? From which variable? From that particular informations, that particular satellite, we will extract the value of the nighttime informations. Okay, so that satellite information stores which in which variable? That satellite information is stored in which variable? Variable name is data. Just copy it and paste it. Okay, copy it and paste it, then give a dot. Then I will select a particular band from that particular satellite information or that particular variable. So then type select. So select which band I have to select. Anybody? Which band I have to select? Anybody? Which band I have to select? Which band?
Already went.
That average.
Average radiant, that band. Just copy it. Okay. Just copy it and paste in between that. You don't need to memorize. You just need to know the concept. So this is the variable, main variable, where we store the entire satellite image, and this variable is collecting the particular band from entire satellite image. So now we don't need to write the entire satellite image information. We need to write only the name of the variable. These, if I write that variable, that indicates that data, this variable stores entire informations of that particular satellite image. Okay, now you have to inform that to the computer. So which area you want to see, you have to give that particular lat long. Let's say I want to see the informations of India. Okay, I want to see the informations of India. Then go to inspector. Okay, go to inspector. Inspector is responsible for inspecting. Inspecting means to identify the informations from map. So I just click on here as in middle of the India, and that indicates the latitudinal and longitudinal value as well as zoom level. So I have to incorporate one new thing. I have to incorporate one syntax name as map.setCenter. I have to incorporate one information name as map.setCenter. Map.setCenter. That means which area should be centralized in our display. That may be Arabia, that may be America or United States, or that may be India, that may be China. Which area that may be Chhattisgarh, that may be your locality, whatever it may be, which area you want to centralized, Okay, so let's say in our case we will like to centralize India. That's why we click here and we gather the informations of latitude, longitude. Now here we have to or only few minutes. Okay, so here we have to incorporate one syntax name as map.setCenter. Now go to docs. If you remember the code, you don't need to go to docs, but as you all are beginner, then just go to docs. It will assist you to remember or to recall your desired data. If you forget exact syntax, you just remember, you can remember the syntax, but you don't remember the exact spelling or exact case sensitive factor. Okay, just go to docs and type map dot set center. Whenever you type map.setCen, only these few portions after typing, you will have that kind of information, map.setCenter. This is the syntax, map.setCenter, and this is called what? This is called the argument. Longitude, latitude, zoom, those are the arguments. Okay, just select it. Okay, once you select, the description of entire syntax is available in front of you. Just copy it. Map.setCenter. Be with me. Don't be confused. Okay. Just paste it. Once again, what we have to do? Anybody? Just go to docs. Map.setCenter. Map.setCenter. If you type map.setCenter, that things will appear. Just copy it and just paste it. Okay, and you basically do that has already been copied, and those are the arguments. You have to fulfill the arguments. Where you will get the data from console. Those are the argument, latitude and longitude. Control V, and zoom condition. Zoom conditions will be here written as 4. Zoom conditions will be 4. Now see, till that now only one line is remaining. Only one line. Only one line. You are cooperating for a long time. Just give me 5 more minutes. Okay. So till that portion, it is very clear to you. Do you have any confusion? First, I have taken variable data. Then we have stored the data of nighttime light. Then that nighttime NOAA image has 2 bands. One band is for the cloud and another band is radiant informations. Then I have select the radiant informations from the entire satellite data. Data dot select average. Now map dot setCenter. Now, if I want to
Can you
see the
repeat, sir,
result,
this map set center? How you have put lat long?
from where I get the latitudinal and longitudinal informations?
Yes, sir.
Just go to inspector, and having clicking on inspector, you can type anywhere. Wherever you type, automatically the corresponding latitude and longitude informations will appear. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it done? Okay.
Got
Now I want to appear the image. Now that my code already been ready. My code has been ready. Now I have to appear. Now I have to give the instruction. Please come on. Okay. Just like previous screen, in previous empire, what kings usually do? They make 2 clap. The corresponding person has appeared in front of you. So that's why we have to give 2 clap. That corresponding image will appear in front of you. Okay. Now give a code name as if I want to appear the result, a numeric result, and then we have to type print. Now we want to display the result in front of us or in map. Then what we have to do? Map.add layer. Map.add layer. So if you don't able to remember the proper code, just go to docs. Just go to docs and just type map.add layer. So if you type just map.add, entire code will appear in front of you. Just if you able to remember, you don't need to copy, you directly type it. Or if as you are the beginner, I suggest you to go over there and take the correct code from that particular code. So this is the code of map.add layer. So this is the first line dedicated to collect the satellite image. Second line dedicated to collect the particular band from satellite image. Third line is dedicated to collect the exact information from where you want to see the data. And fourth line is dedicated to call the map or call the satellite data upon the map. Okay. Now see, those are called what? Those are called what? Those are called what? I just
Arguments.
said arguments. You have to fulfill the arguments one by one. So first argument is EE object. EE object means Earth Engine object. So which I want to see over here. So which variable is responsible to show the data? Is it data or is it night? Which variable? You may say which variable is responsible to show the data? Data variable data or variable night? I think you very good, very good. Because variable night stores the entire data. It contains data informations as well as selected band. So just copy it and paste it. Now first portion has been done. Now second argument. Second argument is vis params. Vis params means visualization parameter. Vis params means what? Vis params means visualization parameter. So what is visualization parameter? That means how brighter or how darker it will be. Okay, how it will look like. Visualizations, that's just for visualization. For visualizations purpose, we have to use one curly bracket. So next day I will show you, this is called dictionary. Next day I will show you how to use dictionary. But today just go with me. If I say you have to use one dictionary, then you have to use that curly bracket or second bracket. And on that curly bracket, you have to give some minimum information and maximum information. Minimum value, let's say that may be vary to your case and my case, but just go with me. Minimum value will be, let's say minimum value will be 0.0 and comma maximum value will be, let's say 0.5. Clear? That may be vary, that may be change according to your requirement. That may be change according to your requirement. Now give a name of the layer. Layer means in any software there is a name of the satellite image and there is a checkbox. I will do the same things. Okay. In say here is a checkbox name as terrain and here is a checkbox. If you check on, it will automatically appear in front of you, and if we check off, it will automatically reduce. In that way, that nighttime image will appear in that way. There will be a name and there will be a checkbox. So what will be the name? So let's say give a name NTL. That means nighttime light. It may be, you can change according to your requirement. It is not at all a what I say fixed. You can give according to your criteria. You can give name according to your criteria. Now code has been complete. That 4-line code is responsible for fetching the entire data of Earth in a second, and data of nighttime light. Amazing. So I think all of the you are eagerly waiting to see the data. Is it? Is it? Now just go with me. Just click on run and just see the magic. Acha, without token, just wait a bit. There is one thing is still remaining. Just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. NTL max value, min value. Just wait. Map.add layer. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Map.set center. Night. Due to some network issue, just wait, just see. Entire nighttime data has been appeared due to some network issue. It may take a little bit of time, but it will overcome. Okay, just wait a bit. You can also change the value. Let's say I am giving it 0.3. Okay, and just I am once again, just be with me, paste and go for run. Just wait a bit. Now see, the result has been changed. The result has been changed due to the variation of just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. Just a bit. I am just okay. So just one by one, just take it, see it. Now you can see the magic. Entire world, not only your study area, apart from that, entire world is appear in front of you just within a second, and with the use of four very simple lines. And if you want to change the parameter, you will get much more better appearance. Now you can see this is the area of India which is look like just like that in night. Now I am changing the value. I am doing here 1 and make it 3. Okay, just go for run. Just wait a bit. And see how it appears. Is it amazing now? Now see entire portions where the urbanizations has been done during the night time. It's just like a flight view. If you move on flight in night sessions and upon any countries or any state or any city, just you will look like that. So those are the highways. Can you able to see? Those are the highways, and the reflectance value of the highways is very easily visible to all of you. Okay, this is the Delhi area, and according to that you will able to understand this is the Himalayan range. Okay, and which area is highly populated and which area is population concentration is much more lower. You can easily able to understand. There is Thar desert, there is Himalayan, Himalayan mountain, and those are appeared much more darker. And if you want to see much more detail, the road detailing, what you have to do, you have to change the tolerance value. Now say, now I am giving maximum value as 2, so you will have much more detailed data. Okay, let's see much more detailed data. Where is the road, where is the populations growth, where is the urbanizations, everything is clearly visible to you. Is it amazing now? And see, entire data is appeared in front of you within a second. Entire data of world is appeared in front of you within a second. And if you type whatever the area you have incorporated over here, and that will appear in the center of the map. As we give the latitude longitude of Indian center of the India, that has been appeared here in that way. Okay, and you can change it according to your requirement. Okay, got it? So this is your today's task. So here you can also check, here is a tool name as NTL, which I mentioned here, NTL, nighttime light, and you can check it off and check it on. If you check it, it will appear. If you check off, it will disappear. And once again, there is a tool of transparency. If you try make it transparent, you can also adjust it with transparency. You can, if you transparent, it will give a versatility. According to your name, according to name of the locations, it will appear properly. Okay, so your task is perform all those things and share with me. If possible, give a feedback whether you are able to get it or not, because I am not able to understand how many of you are interacting and how many of you are getting it. Okay, so I am asking you, and I will share all those data to you with I will ask in that group also. I will send the code, and you can able to perform all those things. So I think you all people can able to understand all those things. Is it true or not? You will be able to understand all those things or not? I am asking randomly. Sri Devjani Mondal, do you able to got it? Randomly, I am asking. Okay, Dipankar Das.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dr.
Yes, sir.
Majid.
It is very interesting for me.
Okay, okay. Thank you. I am just randomly asking.
So my question,
Dr. Gargi Sarkar, will you able to got it? Gopal Das.
so can I ask one question?
Yes.
Sir,
This
Gopal
track
Das, yes, sir.
maximum, why it is used? Because whenever I used to put maximum as 3 and minimum as 4, then whole thing is different. Means the light portion is appearing like in black color, and black color is appearing white color. So what it means actually?
So that depends how much area you want to see at a time. If you want to see a small area, or if you want to see a larger area. So if you want to see a small area, according to that requirement, you have to. This is just visualizations purpose. This is not depends on the. This is not changing the value of a particular locations. This is not just. This is only for visualization purpose. That means how your computer or how your screen or how the data, just like your computer TV brightness, how which is adjustable for your eyes or which is readable. So according to your requirement, it might be 1 and minimum value 1 and maximum value 4 is applicable for entire India. But if you move on Sri Lanka, the brightness value, the entire lighting system is different. So that's why you may changes the value according to your requirement only just for visualization purpose. That doesn't may get any hamper to corresponding data. This is how, just like hearing a song. If you want to sing a larger sound which is comfortable for you and which is soothing for you, so which is soothing for you, which is soothing for your area, according to that you can give minimum and maximum value. So there is no hard and fast rules. You have to give that value for the entire area or any what kind of project you will appear, you have to assign that value. So let's say I want to I want to see the much more detail of Kolkata. Okay, much more detail of Kolkata. So in that value it will give lesser information. If I make it free, it will give much more information. Okay, much more information for Kolkata. Okay, so that gives the actual reflectance value. Okay, that appears much more tiny roads will also able to visible. And if I want to want to see the what I say in broader way entire data of the India, then I can easily change the value from 0.5 to 5. Let's see. Okay, that depends. There is no hard and fast rules. It totally depends according to your visualizations sense. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So anyone, do you have any questions? We are already we have completed more than 2 hours. I fetch your time from your busy schedule. I know all of the you people who are research scholars, students, college professors who have a tight schedule, but it's my honor to have all of you at a time to spend a quality time to people like you, and it's really honored for me, and I am really happy with that I am spending a quality time with all of you people, all of you dignified people, and you are giving me lot more time, much more time that almost more than 2 hours from your busy schedule. You have already allotted me for me. I'm really honored for you, all of you, sir, madam, and my dear all participants, students, research scholars. So thanks to
Dr.
all of
Ghosh,
you.
I have a question, Dr. Ghosh.
Sir,
Sir, is it
Yes,
only
yes.
for visualization or we can do for more further analysis over that?
You can do analysis, you can do visualizations, but that parameter will not make any hamper on the data informations. Okay, you can do
Dr.
for
Ghosh, I
analysis
have a
purpose.
question, Dr.
Hello,
Ghosh.
sir, for this wonderful
Yes,
session. So my question is that time period is not given na, here for that data.
yes. Yes, definitely. That
Huh?
you can also assign the time period. I will make you learn all those sessions, all those things. This is called filtering. Filtering, you
Okay.
can filter with time, you can filter with date, you can filter with cloud, you can filter with boundary. It may be administrative boundary. Lot of things to be done, but this is the only one's first sessions, and there are a lot of things to be learned in also JavaScript also. But as a first sessions, I want to give that. I want to make you believe that that can be done with the help of JavaScript, So that's why I
Yes,
am
sir.
performing those things that can be done.
So thank you
So
so
unless,
much, sir.
Dr.
Thank you
Ghosh,
so
will
much.
you add?
yes,
Dr.
sir.
Ghosh,
Yes.
I'm audible. Dr. Ghosh, I have just a two queries there. So is it, first of all, thank you for that enlightening session. Is it possible to contact with you personally in WhatsApp chat or something like that? Is it
Yes,
permissible or not?
yes, definitely. Initially, I
Is it
told you,
permissible?
at first I told
Okay.
you, you can, whenever you
Thank you, Dr.
our
Ghosh.
so the knowledge, it doesn't has any lock and key, and I am always feel I am always delighted to share my experience and views to all of you. And every time I am sharing my knowledge, I also gathered knowledge from you. That's why I have a I always I open the door for knowledge. And when you have the contact number in WhatsApp group, and if you have any requirement, if you have any, if you want to much more interact with me, I will definitely just make me a call or just WhatsApp me. I will sit with you. I will make you understand how to do all the rest of the things or not. I will be always there.
Sir, will you
Another
please
question, Dr. Ghosh.
today
Another question is there. Will you please address it? Dr. Ghosh, hello.
Yes, yes, I
I'm
am here.
audible, Dr. Ghosh?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Actually, I am from Ramakrishna Mission. I'm a PhD scholar of agriculture and rural development. So I just faced a problem. There is something pop-up was there in Google Scholar, Google Earth Engine, that was starting pre-2024. You need to be create a project, and when I try to create a project, they ask me I am available. It's free or not. So how to address that glitch? Actually, I posted that problem in chat. So no, if you will address the thing, that will be a great help for me.
Okay, you just knock me on WhatsApp. I will try to. I will check out your uh, what the problem you are facing. I will try to definitely help you out.
Thank you, Dr.
Sir,
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
tomorrow at what time you will take classes, sir?
It will
Same
be
time,
same 7 o'clock, 7 to 9
7
o'clock.
sir,
p.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
sir,
sir,
will you share the codes what you have done today at chat box?
Yet. Yes, 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 yes. I will send the entire data to you. Okay, I will share.
sir, sir, can I get this screen recording, sir?
Uh, Probably asking the has not been recorded, but I will be there now. I will be always there. If you get any difficulties, I will be always there. First, I will be
Okay.
always there. You don't need to worry about your screen record. I will be always there to help you out. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank
don't
you.
need to worry. And I will share all those code to you so that you can practice your comfortable time. So don't need to worry about it. Okay,
Okay.
and don't think about the after these sessions, if I get any difficulties, what do I do? Once again, don't need to worry. My phone number is available to you. If you get difficulties in to get my phone number, so don't need to worry. Once again, if you just go to Google and you can just type Ayan Ghosh and GIS. Google store every information for me. What is my name? What is my phone number? My photograph, every information Google stores. So you can collect the informations and address. You can collect my phone number whenever I available or not. Everything is available over there. And if you type on your Meta AI on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger Meta AI, who is Ayan Ghosh in GIS field, every time you will get the answer. So WhatsApp AI also stores my data, so you don't need to have a worry about it. Whenever you feel free, you can contact with me. Definitely I will give response. Maybe I will not able to respond if I will not able to respond on that particular moment, but whenever I will check out my message or phone calls, definitely I will ring back or I will reply you through message. Okay, so don't need to worry. So let
Thank you, sir.
how was the sessions? You all people enjoyed it or?
Good.
Super interesting, sir.
Super session, sir. It was very interactive and very
Very
good
nice,
session,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much. Actually, your feedback is inspired me more, a lot more to deliver myself. So anyway, I will try to deliver much more things to you. And definitely, if you come to Rampurhat, probably I will be there. We shall interact throughout the seminar. almost 2 or 3 days. So definitely a lot of things to be. If you get any difficulties during these sessions, we can also discuss on that evening sessions after seminar over there. Okay, if you come over there. Okay, so don't need to worry. So once again, I think all of you are stay over here for a stay with that sessions for a long time. So thanks to all of you, my respected sir, madams, my beloved students, my dear research scholars, scientists, my heartiest thanks to all of you. Once again, you get any difficulties, feel free to ask me through WhatsApp. In your WhatsApp group, I am over there in that WhatsApp group, which has just generated right now. Okay, international seminar, just over there I am, Ayan Ghosh. Okay, and I am giving all the code over there, and you can interact accordingly. Okay, so any
Thank,
more question?
thank
Any
you
more
very much,
question?
sir. From participants, any question is there?
Yes.
No,
Hello.
sir.
Any? Yes. Okay.
I think there is no
So
question, so we will conclude, sir.
yes,
Yeah.
with the
Thank you
permissions
very
of
much,
you.
sir, for delivering an insightful and engaging session. Your gradual, clear approach to helping us to learn was outstanding. Our heartfelt thanks also goes to all the participants for your active engagement and thoughtful contribution throughout the session. Your enthusiasm and collaboration has been instrumental in making this session a great success. We will look forward for seeing you all again tomorrow at the same time for the next section.